guard duty is serious business. This piercing whistle sends an urgent message to the colony. Run for cover, now. The hunting eagle is hot on the marmot's heels, but he lucks out and makes a narrow escape. Timing is everything. Adult eagles don't have to eat every day, but their young do. In July, the alpine meadows come into full bloom. For this very brief season, life at altitude is lush. Not so in a few more weeks. Marmots are among the few that brave the harsh early winters here. Some have already doubled their weight and will soon disappear down their burrows.